I'm actually medically retired. I have complex PTSD. 2019, I kind of did a dive, and so I've been medically retired since then because of my issues with PTSD. I was, hurting kind of financially, and I was only surviving on my pension through the VA. Not having that sense of security, not being able to pay my rent on time, not knowing where to go or who to ask for help, and being the person that I am, very prideful, I would rather try to help myself than try to ask for help. So, being able to find possible and being able to get some sort of help to be able to help myself gave me relief. I don't know what I would have done without it. Some of my financial challenges were getting my oil changed and buying groceries, things where I only had so much money to utilize to pay my bills, so I needed extra to be able to actually, survive. I would like to empower myself to be able to have my own house. I know that it's on the horizon. I can see it and feel it. I'm just not quite there yet. I think everybody aspires to that, but for me, it looks like having land and being able to have something sustainable for myself